Hey, this is Matt with Synergy, and I'm back here with Trail Ready and Buckstop, and today we're going to be installing a nice heavy-duty steering kit on this 450 behind me. They've built the truck great, it runs fine, but they want something a little bit stronger to handle the abuse they want to put it through. So come check this out. Big boy. So this is the factory drag link. You can see it's about inch, maybe inch and a quarter. You come check it out against the Synergy drag link. You'll see on our Synergy drag link, just by looking at it, it's just a lot bigger and beefier. So we got inch and a half quarter wall. We also have the same fitting that you can use for the stock stabilizer. So pretty much a direct bolt on, but a heck of a lot beefier. So we have here our heavy-duty adjustable track bar for this F-450. We're gonna go ahead and install it and get our axle nice and centered. All right, so right now we are installing the Synergy heavy-duty drag link on this 450. Much bigger than stock. It's really gonna help out the strength of this truck. We're gonna install this 2-inch quarter wall tie rod that weighs 1,000,000 pounds on the front of this big old F-450.
Where do you have the nut for this end?
Yeah, it's over in the box. Hang on.